Let's do a search for Microsoft 365 subscriptions. The first one, the Business Basic, if you're hosting a Microsoft Teams meeting or a Teams live event, you can have up to 300 attendees. You'll get the web version of Office, and you're also getting your collaboration tools such as Microsoft Teams. You're getting SharePoint, OneDrive, and your 50GB mailboxes through the Microsoft Exchange. It might be the cheapest offering here, but with the Business Basic, you are getting a lot of bang for your buck. If we move over to the 365 apps for business, price goes up per user per month. You are getting the desktop version of Office, and you're still getting your 1TB of storage through your OneDrive. You're not getting your collaboration tools. So you're not getting Microsoft Teams, you're not getting SharePoint, and you're not getting Microsoft Exchange. If you want the best of both worlds, where you can basically combine the Business Basic and the 365 apps for business, you could move up to the Business Standard package. With this, you are getting the desktop version of Office, and you're also getting your collaboration tools such as Teams, SharePoint, and Exchange with your 50GB mailbox. With the 365 Business Premium, price goes up again per user per month. And what you're really adding on top of the Business Standard is the advanced security. In particular, if you need to centrally manage your mobile devices, you may be drawn to Microsoft Intune. If we expand the file storage, all of the packages offer 1TB of storage as a standard. Have a quick look at the desktop version of Office. And remember, all the subscription packages offer the web version of Office as a standard, which you will access through your web browser. What we're looking at here is the desktop version, the fully loaded, feature-rich version that is installed on each device. And the Business Basic is the only package that doesn't offer the desktop version. For each user, you can install a full version of Office on up to 5 devices. Let's just scroll to the top of this web page, and what we want to do is have a look at what's available if you're a home user. And one of the first decisions you're going to have to make is, are you buying a Microsoft package for one individual, or do you need a family package for up to 2 to 6 people? Either way, you're going to get your 1TB of storage on your OneDrive. As a home user, you'll be getting your premium Office apps with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. You can collaborate using Microsoft Teams. If you're comparing it to the business packages, you're not getting SharePoint. There's no Microsoft Exchange, no 50GB mailbox. You're going to have to host your emails elsewhere. And also there's no Microsoft Intune, so you can't manage your mobile devices remotely. If you're just trying to work out the best value for your buck, you might want to consider the Home and Student Edition. Now this will be a one-off purchase, so whatever version of Office you get, you won't get any updates, you won't be upgraded to the new version of Office. It's not a subscription, it's a one-off purchase. But that could work out to be the best value for your hard-earned money.